Hello, this is Everett with The Birding Voyage. Today is World Bird Migratory Day, and it's also my birthday. So I'm celebrating by visiting a few spots here in San Diego, especially a few migratory hot spots. Here I'm at the Dairy Mart Pond first thing this morning, and then we'll go to a few more hot spots today and see what we can find. Thanks for joining me. Here we go. Looks like an Allen's hummingbird. The yellow-breasted chat. It's an American goldfinch. Looks like a group of bush toots in there. Common yellow throat, or no, it's an orange crowned warbler. Some American crows on the farm field. It's a song sparrow. Blue grosbeak. Looks like a warbling vireo. It's a common yellow throat. Some mallard. A couple cinnamon teals here. There they are. Looks like a mourning dove. Western gull. There's some ruddy ducks way down there. The eared grebe. Anna's hummingbird. Some black-headed grosbeak. Hooded oriole. Black phoebe. It's a house finch. Looks like a red-tailed hawk. Here's a phainopepla. Maybe a Cooper's hawk. There's two of them. Okay, finished up at Dairy Mart Pond, and now I'm over at the Bird and Butterfly Garden. This is one of my favorite spots during migration. It's awesome here. Looks like this used to be a lot of trees. They cleaned that out, looks like they're gonna do some farming there. But anyways, we'll be here for the next little while, see what we can find. It's a California thrasher. It's a house wren. It's a California towhee. It's a western flycatcher. Townsend's warbler. Lawrence goldfinches. Wilson's warbler. It's a Nuttall's woodpecker. Looks like an ash-throated flycatcher. It's another American goldfinch. I've seen quite a few of those today. I've never really seen them here before, so that's kind of cool. Brown-headed cowbirds. Lesser goldfinch. Turkey vulture. Now I'm at the Dairy Mart Ponds. I'm going to be exploring this area over the next couple hours. I'm going to start here and then head over to the other spots. Here's a nice look at a Cooper's hawk. Mexico in the background. Here's another look at the Cooper's hawk. I just saw it chasing a pigeon. Looks like it was unsuccessful. I've never seen him running around like that. It's on a roof. And his hummingbird. Green heron. It's a northern shoveler. Song sparrow. White crowned sparrow. House finch. It's a Hutton's vireo, I think. It's a common yellow throat. Group of turkey vultures. Here's a look at Dairy Mart Pond. This is the west end of the pond. Have quite a few birds out there. I'm going to check them out now. This looks like a western gull. A couple double-crested cormorants. Here are two white-faced ibis. Pied-bill grebe. Here's a mallard. Snowy egret. Okay, Finished up at the Dairy Mart Pond, and I'm at the Bird and Butterfly Garden. Kind of quiet right now. It's later in the morning, but Western wood peewee. California towhee. Cassin's kingbird. There's a red-winged blackbird. Eurasian collared dove. Ruddy duck. This is one of several black-throated magpie jays that flew by. It's an American widgeon. Belted kingfisher. Common gallinule. There's a couple of common ravens. It's an American kestrel. It's a white-tailed kite. Alright, I finished up at the Bird and Butterfly Garden area, and now I'm at the Tijuana. This is the Estuary, so I'll be here for a little bit, see how it goes. Some bush tits. Looks like a house wren. It's a juvenile. I'm not sure if that's a black crowned or a yellow crowned night heron. It looks like a yellow crowned night heron. This looks like a ridge raised rail. I think this here is an American crow. Yeah. Great egret. I just made it out here to the end of the walkway, and I saw two ridge ray rails run out along the bank, and then they ran back in the bush, but that was cool. Nice area to sit down for a little bit. All right, made it to the beach. It's my favorite part. Took my shoes off because my feet were hurting after walking so much. And I'm just gonna walk along the coast here and then go up to the river mouth. Should be fun. Here's a willet. Another marbled godwit. Here's a whimbrel. Snowy plover. Black-bellied plover. Brown pelican. Comes an osprey. Right now I'm at the Bayshore Lookout. This looks over the San Diego Bay. Looks like there's a lot of shorebirds out there. Supposedly there's a little stint been seen here. Two American avocets. Black-neck stilt. Here we have a few greater yellowlegs, and then we have two different pharaohs in front of the greater yellowlegs. That other one just came into view. I had to look back on this a few times. So the darker one with the shorter bill is the red-necked pharaoh, and then I did a little still shot here so you can see the differences, but the other one is a Wilson's Farralope. My next stop is Robb Field and Mudflats. There's the park over there, and here's the Mudflats here. Looks kind of quiet, but hopefully we'll see some good stuff. Least sandpipers. You can see the yellow legs. It's a nice view of a western sandpiper. Oh, there's a semi-palmated plover. See, we have some western sandpipers, and then that larger one there, maybe a Dunlin. House sparrow. Rock pigeons. Gray blue heron. This looks like a short-billed dowitcher. Those two gulls, or there looks like there's a few of them there. Group of ring-billed gulls. It's got that little dark part on its bill, so I'm assuming this is a Caspian. It's a group of black skimmers. It's a long-billed curlew. It's a little blue heron. Red-tailed hawk. There's a hawk over here. I'm assuming that's a Cooper's hawk, but it did look a little smaller to me. It could be a sharp-shinned hawk. Okay, I'm wrapping up today. Man, it's a big day. I'm exhausted. I got a lot today. Saw some rare birds, which was cool, and I missed a lot of easy species that I just thought I was going to see, but it's just crazy how every day is so different. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time on the birding voyage.